Would you believe me if I said this viral short was made in under 10 minutes, using only AI? It sounds like science fiction, but I'm about to show you how it's your new reality. We're living in an unprecedented era for content creators. The barrier to entry has never been lower and the potential for reach has never been higher. Short-form content is absolutely exploding. We're talking about a staggering 70 billion shorts being watched every single day. That's not just a number, it's a colossal wave of attention, and you have the opportunity to ride it. But here's the secret the pros know. Going viral isn't about luck. It's not about catching lightning in a bottle. It's about having a repeatable, efficient system. And today, that system is powered by artificial intelligence. This is your unfair advantage. So let's build that system, step by step. Step 1. The Idea Factory. This is where it all begins, and it's where most people get stuck. But you won't. You're going to turn AI into your personal brainstorming partner. Open up a tool like ChatGPT. Now don't just type a lazy prompt. Be specific. Instead of just saying, "Give me ideas," try this. Act as a viral video strategist. I want to create YouTube shorts for the Your Niche. My target audience is, describe your audience. Give me 10 video ideas that use a strong hook, a surprising fact, and a call to action. Format them in a table with columns for the hook, the core concept, and the punchline. The quality of your output depends entirely on the quality of your input. See the difference? You're not just getting ideas, you're getting structured, strategic concepts that are already halfway to being a finished script. Review the list. Look for the ideas that spark your curiosity, the ones that make you think, "Wow, I didn't know that," or "That's a clever way to put it." Pick one that resonates with you. For this example, we'll choose one about the hidden history of a famous logo. Now for step 2, instant script writing. With your chosen idea, you'll stay right inside ChatGPT. It's time to turn that concept into a compelling narrative. Your next prompt is crucial. Tell the AI, using the idea about the hidden history of the Amazon logo, write a full 60-second YouTube short script. The script must have 3 parts. A powerful hook in the first 5 seconds, a middle section that builds curiosity and tells a story, and a final punchline or reveal that is satisfying for the viewer. The tone should be exciting and fast-paced. And just like that, you have a complete script, but don't just copy and paste it blindly. Read it out loud. Does it sound natural? Is the language engaging? This is your chance to inject your own personality. Tweak a few words. Rephrase a sentence to make it sound more like you. The AI does 95% of the work, but that final 5% of human touch is what makes it unique. Step 3. Giving your script a voice. You could record this yourself, but to create a truly faceless channel and to work at maximum speed, we're turning back to AI. Now you need to give your script a voice. There are incredible text-to-speech platforms available. 2 of the best are ElevenLabs and PlayHT. These aren't the robotic voices of the past. They offer a massive library of hyper-realistic human voices. Inside the tool, you can paste your script, select a voice, and generate the audio file in seconds. My advice? Experiment. Don't just pick the first voice you hear. Try a few different ones. Does your script need a deep, authoritative voice for a history topic, or a more upbeat, energetic voice for a tech tutorial? You can even adjust the pacing and stability to fine-tune the delivery. Once you're happy, download the audio file. We're halfway there. Welcome to step 4, generating the visuals. This is where the magic really happens. Your video needs to be visually captivating from the first frame to the last. For this, we'll use AI video generation tools like Pika Labs or Runway ML. These platforms can turn simple text prompts into stunning cinematic video clips. The process is similar to writing a script prompt. You need to be descriptive. Don't just say, "a person." Say, "a cinematic close-up of a young woman's eye, reflecting glowing lines of code." Instead of "a city," try a hyperlapse of a futuristic neon city at night, flying cars whizzing by. For our example, you could type prompts like, "vintage 1990s computer with a smiling logo on screen," or "animated arrow drawing a smile from A to Z on a package." Generate 5 to 10 short clips like this, each 3 to 4 seconds long. This will give you more than enough material to work with. Step 5. The assembly line. It's time to put all the pieces together. Open a video editor. I recommend CapCut because it's free, powerful and has fantastic AI features built in. First, drop your voiceover track onto the timeline. This is your foundation. Next, start laying your AI-generated video clips over the audio. Now, here's the most important rule for short-form video. Pacing is everything. You must keep the viewer engaged. To do this, make sure you have jump cuts every 1 to 2 seconds, a new visual, a quick zoom, a change of scene. Never let the screen get static. Once your visuals are in place, use CapCut's Auto Captions feature. With one click, it will transcribe your entire voiceover and create animated kinetic text that pulses to the beat. This is non-negotiable for shorts, as many people watch with the sound off. We're almost done. Step 6. Optimization and testing. The first 3 to 5 seconds of your video will determine its fate. It's the hook that stops the scroll. So, don't leave it to chance. Go back to your AI partner one last time. Ask AI to write 5 alternative viral first lines for your video. It might give you options like, "You see this logo every day, but you don't know its secret." Or, "Amazon's logo has a hidden meaning, and it's genius." Now create 2 versions of your video, each with a different hook. Post them both. See which one performs better in the first hour. This is A/B testing, a technique used by top marketers, and now you can do it effortlessly. The data will tell you what your audience responds to, and you can use that knowledge for your next video. The first 5 seconds literally decide your reach. And there you have it. Here's your full 10-minute viral workflow. From a blank page to a finished, optimized, and ready-to-post YouTube short. Ideation, scripting, voiceover, visuals, editing, and optimization, all streamlined through AI. This is how you move from being a content consumer to a content creator, at scale. Don't just take my word for it. Creators who are implementing this exact method have seen explosive growth. We're seeing channels go from 0 to 10,000 views on their first video, others hitting 200,000 views in a week, and some even crossing the 1 million view mark on a single short, all without ever showing their face or using a camera. This system removes the biggest hurdles: creative block, time constraints, and the fear of being on camera. The tools are here. The audience is waiting. The system is proven. The only thing missing is you. So, what's stopping you? Open a new tab right now. Type your first prompt and make your first AI short today. To give you an extra boost, I've put together a list of my top 10 mega prompts that you can copy and paste. If you want it, just comment, "I'm in," below, and I'll send you my bonus prompt list. Now, go create.